Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have a Nissan Duals. This Nissan has a problem with check engine. So the engine is running, but we have check engine. Look at the dashboard. So today I'm going to show you how to eliminate check engine. The first thing I want to use this, let me show you. Think Save machine. So I want to scan this vehicle first. So after I want to scan this vehicle. So engine, we have two faults. So we have two faults code. Read code. So this two fault code, we have p0135 and p0141. p0135 is oxygen sensor 1, HO2S2. Then we have HO2S2 heater B1. So the oxygen 1 and oxygen 2 has a problem. So let's go and find out. So according to that code, the first thing is I have already plugged out the oxygen sensor socket. This is the bank 1 socket. This is the main socket from the ECU. So in this socket we have around 4 pins. The first pin is up, the second pin is ignition, then we have one pin is for heater and one pin is for air fuel ratio. So today I'm going to, so the first thing is to identify if we have earth on that pin and we have ignition. Tester is on the positive terminal. So the first pin we have earth, so meaning the earth is okay. So let me put the tester on the earth. See, so we are going to test the ignition wire. Look, there's no ignition wire. That pin 2. So let me test all pins to make sure that this is the right pin. So we don't have ignition, so meaning we need to using the fuse box manual, F16. So let's confirm F16. So we have F2, F5, F13, then we have F16. This we need to, this is the fuse we need to look at. So you need to put it. So the main problem is fuse. Look, so the main problem is fuse. Let me remove this fuse. So the fuse box is blown. So let us replace with a new fuse to see if it will have the ignition on that socket. So you can see this too. Now we have ignition. So we have ignition. So we have earth. So we have earth, this power. Then we have that tester is on the earth. So we have the earth. So all the power is okay. So let me that. So after doing that, the check engine is still on the dashboard. So let me put ignition off. Let me put ignition on. So the ignition is on. I must clear the code because this is Nissan. So Nissan, you must clear the code. Are you sure you want to clear the fault code? Yes. The clear fault code completed. Okay. Let me read the code. No DTC detected. Further testing may be required. So let me start the vehicle. So see, everything is clean. Let me put ignition off. Let me put ignition on. Let me start the vehicle. Look at the dashboard. There's not any dashboard lights. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It's Team Wire.